right? So this is the frame right here for the stairs. And I was gonna take it out, but I decided not to because it has an extra measure of like sturdiness. So I decided not to take it out because it's gonna hold a little bit. So I expect it to last at least 3-4 years, but with the frame intact and then let the vegetation grow over, it's gonna last 6 years. I got 1 extra year. I'm gonna remove these things right here. Make it look nicer. Oh, disclaimer: wear proper goggles, wear safety gear, and do not mess with a chainsaw. The chainsaw is for trees, not cutting lumber. So, whatever I am doing, please do not do it. If you value your